Hi, have you ever invested in a course but at the end you were left confused on how to start? Do you ever wish you can learn how to make money online in a step-by-step manner? What you're looking at is the Info Product Launch Planner, a tool you're going to get inside the Daily Info Product system, and it shows you how to start from scratch and build a $1,000 per month business. And here's the cool part. Everything you get inside the Daily Info Product system has been embedded in here in the order you will need them, complete with all the templates you need. So you start from here, start from this particular section, you take all the tags inside this section before you move to the next, right? And you start from here, you take all the sections before you move to the next. Now everything inside this place is templates and framework, everything you're going to need to start building your info product business today. Now the parts labeled green contain templates you can copy and paste. Fill in the blank templates that you can copy and paste, and the parts labeled orange contains the framework you're going to need to build your info product business. The parts labeled red contains training videos, and the parts labeled purple contains downloadable Elementor templates. Alright, so everything you're going to be getting here are templates, fill in the blank templates that you can use to build your info product business from scratch, and they've been arranged in such a manner that you can come here, finish up the tags, and then move to the next, finish up the next tags, and then move to the next, so that by the end of this whole steps, you're going to have your info product ready to launch. Now, I cannot wait to see you inside. You're going to get this particular framework with everything inside, with all the templates when you come inside the Daily Info Product system. Expecting you inside. See you on the other